Hi everyone. Here we are back again with another helmet transformation video. This time we are transforming this SMK helmet to meet the customer requirements. To meet the customer's idea, first we will dismantle the helmet attachments. So after the helmet got dismantled, we start the masking of certain areas on the helmet that doesn't need any new color over it. After the masking is done, we will sand down the parts on which we have to apply the primer coat. First of all, we will remove the silicone coating from the parts to prepare them for the coating process. We will make sure that every corner of the parts gets sanded down properly. After the sanding is done, we will apply primer coats over the parts of the helmet. We are using 2K coating material to achieve the best finish results. After the primer is dried, we will apply the black base coat over some parts, silver on some and orange on some parts. After the base color coat is dried, we will start laying some stencil design over the parts of the helmet. After laying down the stencils, we start spraying the colors with airbrush. Now we remove the stencils one by one very carefully to avoid any chipping of the paint from the edges. After the design process is done, it's time for the clear coat. 3 to 4 coats of clear are being sprayed to achieve the thick clear coat. Clear coat is dried, and now the helmet parts are ready for the next process, that is sanding and detailing. We're going to use 1500 grit and 2000 grit sandpaper to level up the surface. After we have sanded all the parts, we're going to polish the parts with some rubbing compound and with ultra finish compound. After the polishing of part is done, we will assemble the helmet parts into one complete unit. So here is the final result. We have tried to match the helmet with the Harley Davidson motorcycle paint theme. We hope you will like this transformation video. Don't forget to like and share this video. sure you subscribe to this channel to watch more amazing transformation videos in the future.